This video is sponsored by Provido VPN. It provides top-notch online security and privacy protecting through its no logs policy and robust encryption protocols. The VPN offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of servers in different locations around the world to ensure faster connections and smoother browsing. Provido VPN supports multiple devices and platforms including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android and Linux, and allows up to 10 simultaneously connections. The server also offers features like kill switch, split tunneling and DNS leak protection to further enhance security and privacy. Provido VPN offers 24/7 customer support through its live chat and email, ensuring prompt and helpful assistance wherever needed. The VPN server offers various pricing plans to suit different budgets, and a 30-day money-back guarantee ensures a risk-free trial. Check out the link in the video description for more details. I don't know if anyone's noticed, but my audio started to play up every now and again. It sort of like goes to like one speaker, and I think, oh, that's not good. There's something going wrong here. So I don't know if it's my DJI or my microphone. This one I'm wearing right now. I've updated the firmware on my DJI just to make sure it's not that, and it seems to still be doing it. So hopefully I've eliminated that. So what I've done, hopefully, is I bought another microphone, or actually two. This is a dual pack, and these only cost £18.99p for a pack of two. I don't know how good they are, but there's a lot of people buying these, and hopefully they're very good. So in this video, we're going to be testing them. We're going to see exactly what you get for your money. We're going to just plug and play. I'm not going to change the volume adjustment or anything. I'm just going to plug one into my DJI and just start talking. Hopefully they're as good as this one, if not better. This one I think cost about £60, so it's not cheap, but it is very good quality. And like I said, it might be playing up because now and again I'll get the cable caught up and I think, have I damaged it? So it might have damaged this one. And I didn't really want to pay £60 again because it's quite a bit of money. So with that, let's get on with it. So it comes in a nice little bag. It's got no logo on it or anything like that. It's just a plain plastic looking leather type plastic bag. Very nice. Comes with two microphones, like I said. And like I said, I will be testing them in a second. Actually, I'll test it after I've shown you this. So come with the instructions, Lavalier microphone, user manual, and that's that out of the way. So what I'm going to do before we carry on is I'm going to unplug this. Hopefully you can hear me nice and clearly. I accidentally undone this one thinking it was a microphone and it wasn't. Done that by mistake. But it does come with an extension lead, which is perfect if you need to extend the cable length. Say for instance you're using your camera, yeah? And you want to plug in your microphone into your camera, and the cable that comes with it, although it's quite long, I will do measurements as well, they're quite long, they might not be quite long enough. So you can extend it, which I thought, that's pretty good. Like I said, hopefully I'm checking the volume and it is peaking a little bit, so it might need turning down a bit. Like I said, I didn't want to touch it, I didn't want to test it beforehand. The other thing I liked about this is it comes with an adapter to use two microphones at the same time. Let me try and give you an example. Let's get the other one undone. Hopefully it'll work. Again, I haven't tried it, so I don't know. So you plug that one into there. Is that in? That's in, I think. Right, hopefully you can hear me, yeah? Now we're using two microphones into one connection. Let's get the leads out of the way, because it looks a bit messy. Get that out of the way. I'll talk about them bits in a second. So we have two microphones. So we have this one. Can you hear that? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. So perfect for if you want to do a conversation with someone else, but you're not probably fussed about doing a left and a right sound audio. You just want, mono. This could be the answer. I don't know. And how are we doing on levels? Levels look okay, except when I shout or raise my voice. It does look like it's peaking, so I will need to turn it down, which I will do right now. Right, I've turned the settings down because, like I said, it was peaking, and I noticed it on my Zoom H6 that it was peaking. It looked like it was flashing. I thought volume's too high, so I've turned that down just a little bit. Hopefully, it's better. Now then, let's get back to this. So, a long extension cable, and you get two of them, one for each microphone, obviously, and you get two different adapters. Now, I don't know why they're different colours, but they are. Oh, let me unplug this and go back to one microphone again. How's that? Yeah? Just checking the audio, make sure it's working. Yeah, so we have a microphone, or two actually, with a very nice long lead. Like I said, I will measure them up. It comes with a dual adapter, so you go from two microphones into one, which is good. Perfect for, like I said, plugging it into your camera. So if you're doing out and about and you're filming and you're only using your camera for your audio, you can plug this, provided you've got a 3.5mm jack plug connection. Also, it comes with a couple of spare filters, these little babies here, again, very good. We have another extension cable, like I said, it's a pair, so it comes with two. And we have two jack plug connections. Now, I'm not sure what they're for because I haven't read anything, but looking at that, we have a 3-band and a 2-band. Now, I'm guessing this one here is, if you've got a 3.5mm jack plug connection on your phone, that would work perfectly. It would recognise it as a video audio adapter, and that one, because it only has 2 bands, will recognise it as just audio. I think that's how it works. I might be wrong, but I did do some videos on it some time ago, and I think that's how it works. So with that, I'm going to have a listen to the audio myself and see how it sounds, and I'm going to get back to you and tell you what I think about it, and let me know in the comments what you think about it, whether it's nice and clear, whether it's worth £18.99. You do get a lot for your money, I'll give them that, but is the quality of the audio any good? That's what we need to find out. Give me a second. Right, I've had a listen to it, and yeah, I do sound a bit deeper when I speak, or my voice sounds a bit deeper. Let me know in the comments whether you agree with me or not, but it's nice and clear. I can hear everything I'm saying, hopefully you can anyway. And I did find it was too loud, so I've had to adjust it on here, but also adjusted it in the software as well, because the first part of it, the one I didn't do any adjustment, I left a little bit of it with it running at full volume and peaking out, just to give you an example of how louder it is to my other one, my £60 microphone. Made a big difference. So I have turned it right down, well, not right down, was on just under 6 on the actual dial. This is the Zoom H6 that I use for all my audio recording, and this is the DJI that I use for transmitting and receiving. So transmitter, receiver. Very good, by the way. Very good, and yeah, mic is very good. I will place links in the video description for the actual mic. Like I said, at the moment, it's £18.99p or something like that. Not expensive, and you do get a lot for your money. Seriously, you do extremely well. And I did mess up on what these are for. They are converters, so you can go from 4 to 3, 3 to 4, basically. And yeah, should work quite well. Not sure where you would use them. Maybe I would say you probably use something like this on perhaps your phone. If the actual mic one isn't working properly, you might need to use one of these adapters to tell it, you've got a microphone plugged in. But I wouldn't have thought so. Normally, if it's at least 2 pin or 2 connections, what they call 3 actually, normally that is enough to tell it it's a microphone. But like I said, it sounds very clear and seems to be working fine. Plus I've got a spare one somewhere. Got so much stuff here. Spare one, is that it? Or is that the old one? See, I've got so much in here. No, that's the old one. That is my old one. That is my £60 one. And it's very thin on the cable. but very strong on the cable. So I'm putting that to one side. I'm not going to throw it away in case I find out later it wasn't me mic, it was something else. So I'll put it to one side for now. But yeah, very pleased with the amount of money it cost me. It's doing everything it should do. Like I said, I will stick a link in there for that. If you're interested in the Zoom H6, I will stick a link in the video description for that as well. And also for the DJI or DG, is it? Yeah, DJI. I was sticking links for that as well. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think about buying a microphone or buying a Zoom H6 or DJI. Let me know in the comments what you're going to be doing. And if you are going to be buying it, consider using my links. They are affiliated, but they do give me a bit of a kickback at no extra cost to you. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumb down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.